The increasing electrification of the heating sector and electric mobility have increased the demands on the power grid enormously. In a decentralized energy world, we need solutions to maintain grid stability with as little restrictions on the customer side as possible. This can be done via flexible control mechanisms. But what is meant by this? Here, you can see the three influencing factors of flexible control mechanisms. For smooth operation of divergent axes on the same grid connection, there is a need for coordinated, prioritized, and standardized implementation of the various signals inside the building. In Germany, grid operators will soon be given the opportunity of setting a temporary power limitation in an emergency, which means the event of impending grid congestion. For the end customer, this allows for immediate connection approval of devices such as heat pumps or charging stations, even if the grid expansion in the respective area has not yet been completed. The emergency instrument for the grid operator is supplemented by market-oriented approaches. Financial incentives will lead to customer behavior that ideally does not even pose a threat to grid stability in the first place. The various interventions all act at the same grid connection point and are distributed behind it to the controllable devices by an energy management system. Even in emergency situations, the minimum supply can thus be guaranteed without the grid operator having to access individual devices. The customer retains sovereignty over his devices, which are not directly controlled but only receive optimization parameters. The EEBUS initiative has consistently specified and standardized the communication interfaces for both the legal and the market-oriented mechanisms. The solution portfolio ranges from variable electricity tariffs, a maximum use of own PV power, to bidirectional electric charging and flexibility markets. This allows the emergence of a manufacturer-independent ecosystem of interoperable devices from different sectors. The commissioning by responsible installers is carried out easily with the help of plug-and-work mechanisms. Devices with EEBUS implementations recognize each other and exchange information about the available use cases.